Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my experience so far with a newly developed advertising platform. It was launched just this month, so it's not even 1 month old. And the site I'm talking about is called Cash Ad Pop, owned by Marianne. Probably you know this name because she has other sites as well. So the fact that it drives real traffic or not, it goes without saying, obviously. Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that like button. I really appreciate that. So, this is a free site to join. Obviously, I'm going to leave my referral link in the comment section of this video because YouTube doesn't allow links to be shared in the description of the video anymore. As of 2 or 3 weeks ago, they announced this fact. Okay, so make sure to check the comment section of this video. Now, there are two ways that you can advertise on this site, so let's check them out one by one. The other features, I'm not going to go through them because the other ones are obvious, but you can also check them out whenever you create your free account. So, the first way you can advertise is by send email ads, and the second way is send video ad. Now, an email ad is just a text ad, a normal text ad, okay? A video ad is kind of different, but we'll take a look at this later. Now, before I continue, let me show you first how you can create your first ad and then send it. What you want to do is click here, edit ads. Alright, it will take you to the next page where you can create your ad. I already have a couple of ads. It will look like this when you create it, but you can create it right here. Okay, just the subject, compose your body email, and here you should enter your targeted URL. Then what you want to do is click on add mail ad. Alright, and after you add it, it will look like this. Now, once you create it, go to your members home and then click on send email ads. And here you can choose if you want to send which ad you want to send if you have created more than one, and you have to have at least 1500 credits in order to send. I already sent my email ad for the day, and you can send it only once every day. Okay, after you enter the numbers of credits and chose your ad, just click on send email ad. And the next way that you can advertise is send video ad. Now, unfortunately, this feature is only for upgraded members. But if you have a YouTube video, or if you just have a video that you want to promote, you just paste your video link right here, add to the video, and then click add to the video or website ad. And whenever a visitor clicks on your video ad, will stay there for at least 2 minutes. And then we'll earn 200 email ad credits. But the important thing of this feature is that you will be advertising your video or your referral URL or your website containing a video, and the visitor will stay for at least 2 minutes. Now, this is great for advertising. In general, on traffic exchange sites, you stay for like 20 minutes, 20 seconds at the most. But here you can stay for 2 minutes. Alright, the visitor stays for 2 minutes. Like I said, this is a feature for upgraded members. Okay, so let's see now how you can earn credits and how your ad will look like. So if we go here, earn ad credits, there you go. These are email ads, these are video ads. So if you post a video ad, it will stay for 5 days here, and whenever a visitor clicks on it, will take you to another page, and you will stay for at least 2 minutes, and you will earn 200 credits. And it's not loading for the moment. And these are email ads. This is how your ad will look, just like this. This is the subject that you create. Okay, whenever someone clicks on it, another tab will open, and the visitor will stay for at least 10 seconds. Alright, so this is basically it. Now, there are two reasons why I'm using this site and why I wanted to upload a video sharing with you my first review and my experience so far. The first reason is because it is effective, and I'm going to show you a couple of proofs. And the second reason is because it's not 1 month old yet, and it's growing massively on a daily basis. It has more than 2500 members. Alright, so let me just show you some proofs. As always, I use LeadSleep and only leadsleep.com. Let me refresh the page so you know it's not just a screenshot. So this is the landing page that I'm promoting on Cash Ad Pop. Click on statistics, and there you go. Out of 254 real visitors, I got 2 opt-ins in my list. Alright, so for a month-old platform, I'd say that it works. However, I'm gonna try it for a couple of months again, and then I'm gonna record another video, an updated review basically. Okay, however, if you want to join and test this site for yourself, like I said, make sure to check the comment section of this video. You will find my referral link, and it's absolutely free to join. Okay, in the meantime, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Wish you all the best. Cheers.